yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV
for Yamamo Ajon Yamakwaba Enfamra Sinupi live on Kumawood television and then Suchodian Padaruma Yatrasi. Na Yawada, of course, 18th of February 2020. Yatrasi Binyamre na Yatmi S Sinupi. Said Yawada Bia no and then so Yatrasi in some no Motina Noa and a Mobatino Maka. Say Yawada no Eana is Sinupi pa. His Excellency Aposio Dike Etnasia na Enyagro Ene Oha Sanso and a former first vice chairman of the MPP Menshanov, now communication officer for Menshanov, and so a Bafwasari and also Ewaha Enche will be joined by Alhaji Sani, leading member of the NDC in Ashanti region. So I can honor Etmi Edim Common 7 at Dosso Ghana Medical Association for an aircraft. CCC Nippon Wuan Omu 565 deaths and they are recorded on COVID-19. Na Omuhemwa, dear Omodis one Babo Pano, and they say in name intensive care unit ɛho nyinaa no asɛ yɛnhyɛ ni bebree kakra wɔn nso no ɛhɔ ayɛ ma ansa na ɔmo yi no nso kora firi hɔ a ɛyɛ akɔ ɛsɛ PPs ne ade no bi wɔ hɔ a ɛmma hyew ɛno ka ho ɛna ama yare COVID-19 no ewuo no ɛkɔ soro nti adesradeɛ paa ɛna GMfoɔ ɛde ɛma na ɔmo se mpa kora ho ayɛ den so bi benya COVID-19 benya bi ada no ɛno nso ho ayɛ den ɛno nti ɛna ebi ewuo no ɛkɔ so ɛsoro sɛ benya mmerɛ na yɛtumi ɛdi ho ɛnkɔmɔ this week ɛna the Ashanti regional minister ɛde bɛto dwa mbɛka yɛ somewhere May 2020 ɛna his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɛbaayɛ na wɔne asanteman utumfoɔ na ahemfo nyinaa ɛka bɔ mu deɛ na ɔmo ɛkyerɛ nyinaa ɛne sɛ okɔ kɔmfanɔkye a since 1974 so ɛna maternity ward ɛno no children and maternity ward a yɛsie ɛwɔ kɔmfanɔkye aban yaresabea yɛhyɛ aseɛ 76 adwuma no san agyaeɛ egu so a ɛna 1999 the former president late president JJ Rawlings so bɛsɛ kakra ɔno nso bɛsɛ mu no wɔntumi anwie ɛna egyagu ha mpɛnda da akofoɔ 2004 ɔno nso ɛbɛsɛ mu yɛntumi anwie ɛna enei his excellent Nana Addo Akufo-Addo so no in 2020 ɔyɛ n'adwene sɛ ɔba na wabewie na yɛtumi anya maternity ward a adan ahodoɔ adɔktafoɔ bi wɔn bɛtena library sɛ wɔ mu kanti sɛ wɔ mu afi theatre sani na ɛbɛwɔ dan mu no na ɛnya agorɔ tumfoɔ anigye paa ɛna kɔɔ so asantemantam ha ɛnim sɛ contractor gu so a ka wɔyɛ adwuma bɛrɛn deɛ regional minister Ashanti region designate ɛyɛ Simon Osemensa ɛde atu edwa ne sɛ sɛdeɛ ayɛ ne deɛ ɛdampɔn kɛseɛ pɛ esi hɔ no ɛwɔ so mu dwirigu na ɔmutumi esi foforɔ na ɛno no ɛna ayɛ sɛ bebree ɛno ayɛ koraa ɛbɔ homɔde asɛ kɛbɛ akotwa but course am yɛ nyinaa no mpanyinfoɔ kyerɛ sɛ daabi munya abotrɛ ɛsɛ dan no strategy first na dɔɔso paa ti yɛ mu angu a yɛ ɛmoa yɛ nti yɛ mu dan no nyinaa ngu na yɛntumi esi foforɔ yɛbɛyi dan no a mpanyinfoɔ ka ho asɛm na kyerɛw na nsɛm nso a asanteman manfo aseɛ ɛka leader and founder of UPP ɔkɔsɛ do di kemu na aseɛ a ɔmo ɛka sɛ ɔmo mpere nnɛ ɛmpere kyerɛ no ɛne yɛtra sɛ bɛnya mmerɛ na yɛtumi ɛdi hɔ ɛnkɔmmɔ Supreme Court ɛno nso ɛkɔ asetena 2 cases ɛna the Electoral Commission yɛde abɔ no anaasɛ application a the petitioner ɛyɛ John Dramani Mahama ɛde lawyers ɛde kɔɔyɛ sɛ ɔmo ɛbɛ fale anaasɛ ɔmo bɛbɔ mmɔden na ɔmo ɛtumi the case ɔyɛ suspended proceedings ɛno no ɛyɛ one na the second one nso na ɔmo ɛhɛ anim no sɛ review ɛntumi nkɔ so na yɛma ɔmo kwan na ɔmo review ɔmo case na ɔmo san SOP na maame Jane Aduke Mensah ɛnɛyi court kotie ɔmo benya mmerɛ na ɔno nso yɛtumi abɔ wura mu nsɛm no dɔɔso wɔ man Ghana a ne nyinaa nso ho nsɛnsɛm ɛwɔ ha na ɛnɛ adeɛ baako a akɔ soɔ ɛwɔ vetting committee the appointment committee of parliament ɛyɛ Hawa Kumusen minister designate for fisheries and aquaculture maame ɛnkane ɔno ɛna na ɔyɛ minister for special initiatives mobɛkaeɛ a bra na yɛ twetwe din na nabato mpɛsu aso hu sɛ nkurɔfo bi fa kwambɔne wi so afra nkurɔfo bi awura mu ɔkɔɔ hɔ kɔkɔtututu because na ɔsusu sɛ nkurɔfo bi pɛ sɛ ɔmo no nti no ɔma warning shot sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ nkurɔfo no bɛdwane ɔkɔɔ vetting apakyɛw sɛdeɛ ɔyɛ no ankɔ yie mpanimfoɔ ɛmfa nkyɛ no wanwene ho da sɛ bɛsi ne siiɛ ɔmo mfa nkyɛ na no na vetting committee no ebusa ne sɛ minister ɔdaworoma wo wokɔ fisheries and aquaculture what is fish farming ɛmɔfra mo wɔ fie a mohwɛ yɛn mo a motie yɛn fish farming momfa definition no ɛnsɛnde me ɛwɔ 0202668464 0202668464 na afei yɛntumi ɛnyammerɛ ɛnkenkan na minister sɛ mode ne deɛ no anyɛ pa a yɛmfa ma parliament na ɔmohwɛ yɛn mo bɛtumi ayɛ nsɛm no deɛ ɛdɔɔso ɛne COVID-19 deaths ɛyɛ 565 active cases ɛyɛ 7,931 ɛna confirmed cases ɛyɛ 78,271 na yɛ sɛ ɛnya agorɔ koraa on COVID-19 hwɛ ho yie na ɛntumi ɛmmoa ɛbɛnya mmerɛ na afei yɛtumi adi kɔmabɛdwafoɔ no atena ase dada yɛhwɛ na yɛbɔ mu akɔ aba na afei no yɛmfa nkɔmatwetwe no ɛnhyehyɛ ɛso His Excellency Akwasi Addo Dike, leader and founder UPP. Your Excellency akɔ aba ibi abɔkɔ deɛ minima busuafoɔ bi a na abrante bi mmɛn wɔn mo bara mo ya we na mo de ne kan ho nti wo de o ya we la o see to we dia na o wa try to se Mike Kumawood why mo but me say office bako bia kwaso kama
oh no o ma ye chewa ade here pa so do ubedi no kra ba ma
ndi no kra
so o ti di no kra e ma o ma wunya ina wo ko be shout abia but in konto ampata no kra
okay
in chata ti o ma wi in konto na bra ba sem ene so kankan ama ainkai mi sa sem ya ni ko to Ghana
akoso Ghana na say eguso koso and another down Akufo-Addo.
Oh,
are you being fair? Right. Beba na di nti otumo kire no ba for sorry akwa ba akwasi kuno do member of parliament na ho ye de na honorable Collins so ba nkwa olusu ye me wote ne nkasa oh oh okay a constituency on okay okay right. Come on, so okay. Okay, move on now, okay. Right. You try your homra na afi yaba. Come on, Asha. We are live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, YouTube, Kumawood TV. Again, channel 0202668464, 0202668464. The boy Benyamre na yakenkan e de ama manem rantem Benyamre enkenkan entumi emfa ema yentia the Takrade Journalist Association, Ghana Journalist Association branch more Takrade from the president to the list. Yachemunina. Eche waba eba Benyamre na yetumi edinko.
Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra
ya djuma me mene da okay kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
Okay.
Akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afi no kon no na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa wo ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi wo ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hono say abɛyɛ mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ne nsia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena sukọ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kon atibie kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao
well all pia o say say film mo ye den ti be slower we na fa kokko film na say dia wa wonu tua o fa say no mo ye den ma me ti we we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye tiguma na ma me wai
ebusa yenko kumase
mun kun kumase
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, or Bracon to Yao. Seven now, my uncle and Yasha Dion. Your penny, mammy. Seven now, my father. Look, Marcia, camera. Chini, someone that's why. What's Yammy? We need problem cry. Who made this? I'm free to buy, but to Ghana. And I'm in a confidential. What one and one said to me a day in the promise. And what bread in the capre or do you next time? Ghost way casket shop. I will massy labor hire. Me call one man. And what's an enemy? Yes, can't say you. You would have been Chawano. Missy Kaya, the man is a man. I saw a bit yes, me ambulance. No, Miss Ampeg, everybody done and come. Ambulance, and you have done only ambulance service into the problem cry. And now, the year is a openness to take a crab with the atmosphere. You know, so come stay by Plano. You put them cut down. Some postman casket shops here. You will not come every day to send the movie now. Postman casket shop, you will come and say, in front of the town, you didn't labor office in the bank. Postman casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Okay, Yamama Makwaba Ediaba program I have to this Stardom.
A TV reality show at
Ebaso Live. Ewo Kumawood TV.
audition.
We are ba anase we ye berima we ye abofra ana openyini a wotimi tonyom wotimi to asoronyom wotimi to wiase nyom wotimi to nyom bia wotimi to bia
Asa na onim sa acting so wonim ye acrobatics so wugina mu bia na
we obi a we upcoming artist we ye underground rapper
enie akonya na ba ma ro na be kire achede anyankopon edi achaw
bomodin ase wo de ho baba bedom Stardom second audition Ebaso nyankopon ya adoma 19 February 19th no Friday baby a wo bia obehye Kumase Ahojo Atinga Junction baby a Kumawood TV ewo na hopepepe na yeye Stardom audition 2
Rana barbecue forms cool 100 Ghana cedis
forms no me say 100 Ghana cedis per fabajo Stardom bam
for number na that screen is no
na wo de frɛ na bra na be register na yemfa won ka Stardom no ho na won so be superstar 0547 160380 Francesia
na ye mo nchiremu
ye kasa Stardom a na waje so say adum achede Stardom
adum achede
Stardom
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winnano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo
Right, Famra Sinupi live on Kumawood Television. You go so ADM 0202 668464. Alhaji Sani senior leading member of the NDC attorney Alaja Baba
yeah
bi abakọ de ya da ho ase you who say ya na ni ajipa
da ase
say
na no de na nye
oh nyame
ade de ka da na de ka da na se nye de dimula high nye trafficator ka do we
many can move be about 3 minutes if you are not obi or issue be on one person addressing any part of the topic sir we be discussing there
but by the way in the topic
yes we be COVID-19 oh and a person no dey come out say you be Supreme Court
any anyam yan
I just no dey come out
any onu obi na dey ko one afre me no okay
you'll be looking at COVID-19 the maternity ward one penny say President Minister be putting it down now you see who from after you Supreme Court issues but aside that if you are not be or other issues you are not let me give 3 minutes I mean if you are like you are
no but that's the guy yeah ewura enyuna do dia so ye be cha na say na menu am so much obi awa and also so much production team everybody say no the community beka o say a kind topic no but all the same the American say sa lesbianism na eba na your society ni so no ebe say no any two the other time I'm say how say mene odike na me ka say the best thing for us to do is say am kala na o mu ko school no o mu phone so ye nyeje
kala na mu ko school o di sunya de
da no tu e wudi phone ne sunya de ha enti ya mamo nyeje ni ma bi so mamo nyeje so first you ko school ye mental and ye mental bi ye the calculator amankola na ese wo madwene kwasi buroni wo nya kwase o ese se first wo obebo wadwene mu kan ya wo se o se no and no kan wo se gire me compare calculator phone kura wo the calculator shim just so be kumu wadwene no on pese wo badwene yi so anything no I see e hwa me hwa akwada no nko a ya na bibi ta akire o se yes yempe omo de ba yempe on kwa o ma fa so de aba inauguration no Australian embassy said here minyo odike eka no omo de ba test ho ebebie ma wo
babara no ncha sa ba na jatu ana so man ya
yes to ye ka so bi ho otan a ne he fa na wo hwe kan sa ne ho otan no
ya le enim
ahe o ye house na nyumfo he ne reka sa ne ho otan die wo mo ne say ye na oba idea aban ne bu na ni obetimi akọ Australia akọ ware mi no ho ana America ana Britain o mo mra ni tia mi busa obetimi akọ ware mi no you can't do it I am running exercise it is how your embassy kura no a you must fall within our laws ye mra ni sa de ni ye chiri eye de no so ya wo kwa inaugurate woman a pandy officer. Abana ye din. Abana so ya die bia e da ho bepem na ye de hwa abana. Wo na no de etosu mienu ansala mako we no. Eye books a ye de saa ne ama no bi. E frade ama ye nkwada akosua no school.
Na say nya ama. Those books no ama na ama. Radio ya we.
Menyawe e bai kasa wu na onim nsam bia na meka no wona wonnim sa books ni bai and let me tell you nkofo bebre afa ho ya o man no sorry ya ye bogu ye no ba ko me we read on our meeting ya na so ye say books no said the other night, woman you so near you. Will be trashing them ho. You didn't do 37 no. Because books on the said you 1 year printing no book when you get a books. What you say? And number 1 no yet. Nana to call London. Ruben interview no ebusa no say sa nkrofo no ya momye nka kakra na enye boni bia wo mo be ma ware be ma no ba ware be ma asem wo se ampa wo no oko school in the early 50s e wo Britain ansa wo de my the whole world e wo nkrofo phones na sa atam no na agitation my e wo Britain say ye be legalize settlement maka tumutumu no o ti ase na wo mo enyi ntum na man for sorry na na do kasa na me translator ba twi o se me ntebrofu ya wa o tebrofu ye no be translate na man font and o say sabre no wo mo sorry but wo mo sorry ye dede e ma wo man any bele no na man ne ya gi atum a wo mo ye sa eni to se Ghana for so sorry no man ni bele a e ba ba so e wo Ghana yes I'm okay on say amo agitate ni ya mo a ya enti asem America ni de okay na say okay o say oba no better say mo oh dabi the president is not willing dabi it's never true nipa wanya William Atamils Tony Blair in Chelsea former British Prime Minister wo ka chen say o ADB o mo pa o mo san fan ko enya dia o mo be pene na pene kira ene ne ese wa pene na sa ko tera o ka sa ai wo mu ye dede no mo sakan enti no Ghana hasusu no to quote him verbatim so wo mu ye de no is bound to do what to happen e ya dia ebesi so wo mu ka wo mu ubom no wo mu ye dede is bound to happen ya dia ebesi
ba yi fo wo mo
enti no nanado number 1 I want to encourage Satu Mutumo. Yes. I can't see encouraging why then. The mama so encouraging why then. Woman him abroad to top Prime Minister. What can I say? Emma Son and for the Umuchi back and a sad year I will come once. It is some more we name to Mumfa Mayania. Mumfa. Tear down or some show shall get a catch Biden. Said they are going to punish them. No, so God will punish you and punish your country. Maybe the other that punishment. Said you, me here on the sun or soon here. Ain't in fact in the air car. Sabana, so that you're carrying on more on a principle. Why, Yatu?
I'm so say about Nadiatu, no, after the one sounds original.
Ah,
I like it.
My lady,
see, some Gasua, Giatumwa, I no correct. But officially no one in too. But one more year near maybe a tressa bano. I get okay. Now no one more year official opening. And I proceed for culture one more. What I said? Okay, said the air can come as okay.
I like what I say. Amigo, yes, lazy. Such a say, I was in answer no. You won't be the government official. But as an IG Ekano, Sabian Kekochi or more, which like I said, they were not informed, they were not aware of the inauguration course.
President Kwabombo no amonto akomato.
Minti.
Me chair o te kokoso. Any men champagne for me chair UPP ba majibility. Me chair me ya penny na me be program na Alaji Bafo. Alaji Sadi Kasaro. No de wada. Ba me can sleep in the set. Na Kufu Addo. E na ama kwan. Am a gay office. I won't cry. I will no great tea. I will want to say, Umbenya a dom. Or say, we are going to find a space. Umuno getting speech, no baby. The Mukaino in Ghana.
But you have no evidence to that effect.
Maybe I would say, Massa, Omampena walk land in the interview. Say, what is your take about lesbianism? Any gayism. I say, me the school of UK. Na time no wa na misano. Na saade ni bi ni ho. Na so starting say ba no. Amanfo agitate ye no. Ya jatuma mra be mra ama na ye adwuma wa. Saa so na mikro Ghana. Se me bi du na sankofo bi keke ho bom. No mu agitate a. Me need choice. Na now se see at here and yet your priority no
But it's bound to happen.
But it's bound to happen. Donald Ronaldo has started a campaign to incite people to form groups.
Simple. And to engage the about.
Now, and no crown Kodanche. Australia ambassador say, Ronaldo himself, Ghana Jige Atun. I listened to the interview.
Oh, yes.
And in a hot interview, Bana, Umada launch a gay office. Abrofone Ghana for a before baby Gua, Umo, Abakeke Wabum, a mammy Nua, the dear Satukum, a mamma Yenu, Umo Ayawale for. Now, Yane Christopher say, a 2 idea more mine. And it's a bear bema beda. I come for what Muti cry. Baumiaka, Baumiana and I do not come no mama gave for Yabakuma. We have a catches of the president, dead you on Ghana. Now, I was some woman say, Abrante Cassetia. Supreme Court no
University
not just security for Akofano
Free crime.
When you encounter the no irrigation and encounter under the full glare of Ronaldo.
I bet you so nipa.
I bet you so. I'm a mother casa Ghana for Ronaldo Penimu baby I will do legacy at the Ghana. I come for Mutieme. I Christopher Mutieme. Yana nanum ahemfo jere na kufa do Ghana ne say tumu no wa makwan amya be ya hu meeting wa makwan mo be bodua data won kran aja tum say tumu no mo dia Ghana ha simple na do ya da wase Ojakopon a hota so ne be di asamamaye echi wade abo man ena kufa do won ne di ani we catch him say if you are president you to talk about not just give for a informal
sure when you said the security is here
now Australian ambassador in the man who say now do the movie or say my president they are aware say yeah more committed to the park available say be nyanka Australian ambassador so na wa we embassy baby out there see no I open the Australia. Aye. Tesano can it for them to organize this event our Tesano.
More best for a baby.
Massa Nanado what MPP for anyone say. A shame. I kiss for mon sorry. Million Muslim for mon sorry. Na papa not doing an say if you know na akano. Ya to so baby. It will be do pay biano akọ.
So by the party no that so and
meba before the party the party papa what come on not too much and Ronaldo some party no some mama come again ba me organize demonstration against Ronaldo some people for mama come and one
me support to
MPP ni mo say me for mama come and one Ronaldo or some party no or jinji mwanyama MPP no jawako Ronaldo be able to say oba onim say afem to na ware ase otuba nchomfa bi sha nan not doing your kutame. Move be obey biamu. Because me nipa baby atete me no. I'm a self-made person. I started my brabo at the age of 11. The bien you say me bi da mabre pa. It is oh ya dia me that traffic me no kasa 1 2 me hu adwene otim na. Nyame achede. Na na dun say 4 years we abalukwa anto ma abufuo kwa sa wonu na ka obi awo wo de 169 MPs na aba betra konya so wo opposition de 169 MPs na wo ba be so many achievements awo tout now say abela ko to aba wo de nya hanging parliament masa ade wo ya papa na so no
officially
we don't need any official statement for the president because political power is the allocation of the people, resources and money. Yet the manager party any home bambo in actions. So fire ko yedi. It is out to not get come what did that. And the Australian ambassador abekasa wa nyina no. Na so mati wasa bebo dwane dia.
me ko kasa bi.
Okay. Right, okay, so CDP live on Kumeu TV, live on Facebook, live on YouTube, Kumeu TV, CDP. One more if I can channel, bro, 0202-6684-64. Mala Muhammad Spiritual at the Heber Center, and the Aster PSC, and the man who say also as a sound, so and a God's will casket. Say, if from that papa now pay, and this year to Diabra, not to me, Emma will be into and to also, why, Stardom, Yami watch now. An audition on Basso, Stardom, but you know, an audition on Basso, or the premise of Kumau TV. I think up dancing to what much of them want to bra. Now into me M1, now into me MP. For your channel, bra, in Yamre and in Emma. Mamintiu, the Penifaka, the Aquaswar, and Omaka gazing. I watched the videos, I saw the pictures, and you could see that it happened in our right now, in our country, in our news. You minute, Yason, in Ghana. This is not NDC the Koye, and yet, men, I'm Koye, Ibianka, bet me, why Bianca Cocho. But as we speak, yet Tiffy, yet I'm was what you have to want.
Masa, Edin Kano, Eba Master Moso, Metia, and the party penning for the communication officer, Kosichi, director. Now, Matia, the MP. When I bought a Kodu, enemy party chairman, Kokupon, Afi Machia, Anita, and also South Jansh. Media and somewhere Kunano. The Amimu was a Nayan for can I say? Nadia Abuakusi, one TB done monome. So on the metro. Name Sembuana, Yakana. Memfa manimuni emfa maso entie ya memfa mayi nko ode tie me wo mayimu ye wo mrawo ana se ye pass law no so a e ko pass no parliament so de metro no and there is no way ye president SLC na ado danko Akufo-Addo woni ne vice Alhaji Mumu Bawumia ebe dige atum wo ma wo mu da Mina America. Would they mark my words and the bodate? Because we are on the freedom. It is a near pon now UTC from now Uko Gupu and Kofubi Nana Womoya discussion beer a beer Nini who said discussion Moyen M1 let me become the atrium. Entina excellence ne I near Mufa Alhaji Sani Air Canoa Metia Dino. Entimi nsi tie anam chese entimi nsi esi no government official do ho tie entimi
nsi se gay for emeba Ghana abaye de o abaye no anase entimi nsi se aban beji atum
Jamaica se entimi nsi se aban beji atum na gay for de wo mu hadada.
So this is an illegal activity.
So de memejo no
illegal activity on here in the moment even ambassador no kwase no no
ambassador okwase sese
yenche no
me chese ambassador no okwase sese
for immigration no
sese se Ghana buy no age gay atumu ana
okay
the speech no can say Ghana buy age gay na before
a week before
masa na me de me ka che on say
onte
wo memu ha ye dimra so de me cho no ya wo mra wa ha
tisebiti
so de me cho no enti emra no so ebedie no ekowie parliament mra se bedwafo se aba no kura wo hye no ma bi di aba no a wono akura so wo hye no ma bi di akọ na wo de akoto parliament anim se afa de aduro no Ghana magige ya tomo a parliament na be pass law no na ba no so mo ni timu po wone ne vice o mo timu po so badige atum da na laji ka bibi na former president John Dramani Mahama wonu kwa no the whole world gay leader no one kwa na kranda no wadige tum
Rolo ma do
wadige tum
o ma ge fo be bo dwa wa ha
me say excellency ana make it was na
da bi da
na won na
na me do o bre wo
me me chasa
na Akufo-Addo we
tie me say one yin tum wa anya no kure ɛnyɛ no kwanti Ghana for ɛnsɛm a ɛkɔ so nyina no ti amomɔ ntumu because because Christian can so dem to no
are you saying say amampani onye ntumu say de akwaso no onhui ana say onye ntumu say obi ye na say onfa ono ano ni gomu hu di a
na obi power aboa wo be so ame
yente any arrest bia ene ade na so mo ye Ghana house no omra no tia
na me cho say o de me busa say tama mo se gay for no ehia some mo mo pa won to ma no wo government officials bi wo ho ni busa panifo bi enu ni mo say
okay no government official bi
na free
ata bontin ama clear say omo ayelogration up omo ko redo
me ba to say you know me ka say bo ni tape no ma minti a ubenya tape na meti sa wo no go shi na wo ye no because me ko angela no pay me ko angela nyina mre on SLS mpato manunsi mo me nyina nkasa wo hu mre na ban no anya baye a wo beje sa ensem hu wo ya tumu da o Ghana ha me da na say eye me America no say no ne vice eye e beje sa ensem hu wo pa wo Ghana say maje gay anya duma ewo ma wo mu masa me se bodeti to me se woni anya duma so ma me ntaje te kakra aya me da se me nua panyini wagina ne na so aka se anya duma na me pese me ma no ti ase se wa expose na ban no kono na kufu ado enkofo no Australia embassy ni statement no was say ambassador no say Ghana for sign to the park it will be any to me so because omuma Ghana eme create space aso mba boabo adoma no for gay and lesbian that's what I say you see Ghana for sign say Ghana for sign say omampani sign a any friends say Ghana for dey I don't know omampani so one sign bibia no
to find out everybody and a partner yes sign here who signed that part ibet me gay
atamiska so omampani wa kasafa gay hunda in the last 4 years or kasafa gay hunda say we no masa on information about the akoso eti na membre mu no
ayi no mama pra
nyabada me cho se yana ya ka di o mampani be di ato me na me ma so tie me onyi ntum we me so membre mu na ye because ye busa no onim se siga na akra eti ono patapa no de o de adesi ene patapa sampa na me ta cho no e be do no e be to me buo se apa no wonyi ntum ampa
nsama wo ka em se we interrogate no kra no wo wura mu ko
no say no more
what did they mention because am ya kakra no sen kan san de be program na say uyi kire no
okay the issue is that manfa enono anka topic
yes
ata nke se we abeto me hu fanka ho masa enya sa alaji nya no kro enya no kra na ya mamu so me so ade enya no kra de me so say no kra bi o
so no manya ma sore ma akon
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chi no wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya djuma memene da okay kwesi da edwo da ebana da okuo da yawada efie da ana menya djuma na fie da wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on nante da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne o kasa oba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ya obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te sa chichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wodi no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nso ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be kono say abɛyɛ mmeremmeremre
okay
a wo banyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumewood TV na yenya mmerɛ enwura sunsumu ena sukɔ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na wohwɛ ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so agye afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well awolpia obusha say ifiri mu mo ye den ti be slowa we na fa kokko we na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ye den ma me ti de we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye tikuma na ma no wai slowa
obusha yenko kumase
munko kumase
oh nah it's been a long time yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya wo semina na ma yan ka twene ni ahwedan yo na bisu ya fani asuma me semina me pada o kuma se akamara na me se ya chini ye nya da ka yi
Nansani mo na mo that's why mo shia me dey we need problem kra wo be je di say me free Dubai be tru Ghana ana me na ma confident wo to na mo ansia do me je yi ni bo me so e wa bre me ni kapre odu ko bi na kira me go straight casket shop e wo kuma se labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ni me yes kan hye yo wo de mi ntwa no Misika ya di ma me se me papa no iswa afensu ya se me ambulance na me sam pe de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ya ambulance service into any problem kra ani na ye nya ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se kuma stay by plan no ye ko na mo ko tira o some Cosway casket shop here ye wona ka me bere te se de mo hu ni na Cosway casket shop ye wo kuma se in front of New Town ye di labor office na ben Cosway casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Okay, Yamama Makwaba Ediaba program I have to this Stardom.
A TV reality show.
A Basso Live. A Kumewood TV.
Audition.
We are ba. Anase we are berima. We are bofra. Ana opinioni. A ultimate tonyum. Ultimate to asoronyum. Ultimate to yasenyum. Ultimate to nyum. Ultimate to biya.
Asana onimsa. Acting zuni miye. Acrobatics ujina mubiana.
We are upcoming artists. We are underground rapper.
Enye. Akwenya na ba mouse. Rwana beche achedi nyankopon edia chao.
Bomodin say. We do ho baba bedom Stardom. Stardom. Second audition. E Basso. Nyankopon ya adoma 19 February. 19th no Friday baby a wo bia obehye Kumase Ahojo Atinga Junction baby a Kumewood TV na hopepepe na yeye Stardom audition 2
Rwana babeki o forms ku 100 Ghana cedis
forms no me say 100 Ghana cedis pe for bajo Stardom bam
for number na that screen is no
na wo de frɛ na bra na be register na yemfa won ka Stardom no ho na won so be superstar 0547 160380 Francesia
na ye mo nchiremu
ye kasa Stardom na waje so say eye adom achede Stardom
eye adom achede
Stardom
aba amansane yena yedimu Kumewood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumewood TV amansane
Sinupi live on Kumewood television. You go so 18 comagente 0202668464. We will be an ne tet kakra.
The first bite.
Ne teti as you realize in fact we be no any work gain no. Nka me ka say o ka sani any odike na afi bafo a omo fi akọ animu di nkomo ha on say but omo say emwa yen emwa omnana no enti no yen na na sorry enti a say the Pentecostal Council asha say ne sorry tiare no say eguso ha no we need more time to discuss this issue of lesbianism and gayism in our country. Now Conference about Sabamaka somewhere May last year and I'm penny echo to form no between yes, you have seen ye the head no now was say it me a finishing now it me a bois. And they a Central Minister say there be contractors no share project now just one move down in a MY and T and Danny Nano. You move and far into Muniensi for from. I say me brave. I mean, say, oh, the corner, you didn't come on. You best show the video, the pictures of maternity blogger. They come and say, I'm going to say this city. As I say, 1974, and I want to say, we realize that almost 44 years, 45 years, and project Shasia still now in you. That's what I see. Men Shasia, oh, Sabrano, say, I need some way I can be a. But I say, you're more Muswa, Emwa. I mean, I'd actually be a no. We did the best Senate. You wouldn't be.
We are a young credit. Nanaku Fodo, and then I buy Subam Bonia, Umbusum Dana, the Ghana for. Or take a call for Kura Nana Mikura Wakomium. Mekantam Kessie, a female shabu, a day to say. Nana, a Makama, Yemuda wingo. And young credit. That's you. Me go to Fortan Kessie, and net. Good answer. Say, Yamakwine, Nana, who be don't tank Kessie, eh? The woman say, that's serious. I'm a and then we drop 600. I won't crown. You are come on a chassis. Before 1965, and I yan kakran, baby about Robert Wasso. And you are Mamma be and then parliamentarians, a woman, a local Susan we. You see a swatch, you see a chasing we. ASL for I buy architects. And I have to do baby. I will do. We are omnium day. Umabimu do. Everybody say woman here. The woman here. Na not buy no say. I don't know so to us. I don't go for consultant. Or not go for consultant. Say uncle Danu. One go sika be here. E dey pour down so near we. 950 bed capacity. For my year be war. About time. About I will yet be at theater ne. Ubia wo dan. Obewa. Baby Scott esim and ya mini hall se bia wo kuna na se wo nua be sraw e bra wo hospital na o mbenya baby Ronaldo Berry no say wo mun koye assessment no mun fa sika e be hia e dia wie da na mra to koye assessment no ado mo de ba bonje to be hia 156 million euros dia ma asem no eye and Abraba Semi Dicane say initial consultant now Koya and Umaynes in China.
They acquire before subcutting.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want to contractor
from Brazil.
David Oya
Koyetiano.
Yes.
Central Market.
Na Wakoya a Umuya assessment in Vieno. And I could catch you 2 for say a quite more da or Yeska. Tinana Betrasi. Let me first of all from that.
yɛn kɔhyɛ dwumadie no ase menua afei deɛ yɛnkɔte hwee deɛ kɔte yɛ ne sɛ wɔn sɛ da wɔ yɛbu agu wɔn abɛsi 500 capacity na sɛ ɛsika dɛ kɔgye yɛ no tie o ebɛtumi asi mu no a 500 capacity wɔn nso yɛ 950
ne kɛ so bɛte
wɔn sɔ tengie ti mu pɔn mu ne sɛ yɛn nsa aka 156 million yɛbu da wɔ egu ebɛtumi de 100 million 120 si fresh one yɛn nyɛ bi atwi yɛ no mɛmɛ ka ntam gu so sɛ yɛ kɔkɔfa ada engineers efura bɔkyire ba ɛda wei eni defense a ɛwara nte se mu bungu
sana wo hu no
sana tie baby
you appeal to abia so can tam kese you appeal to two for say nka na so no emre mu na yen kofa a different consultant
ya ka se otu baka otu for tank kese aguda ne so a njanshi se me de njanshi atofo ɛwɔ otu for akonya se otu for makwa mu be ya sa de na omoto sante emra ɛnu ti de wo ne se me amaka ntam no o se frɛ me na de wo peso bebu da ne go ye frɛ na o de be bo so ye wiwem ye wiwemu adane so de ye wiwemu ye private consultant obeba be try independent ba be try say da no fit for purpose or not because who na do wa na ma onko for koya assessment o mo ba da no me wura mu nyina wie a compare your first arrival at that figure.
Yeah, yes. That is a
common sense.
Very important question.
Common sense. Now we can here. Who stop here? Abre ketwa. Let's can be aka. Na yankwala. Ya tikoma yankwala. Me na atakwa me there with my casket. Cement ba kukura nim. I did 200 years. Asa ko atakwa me there bi o. About 300 years.
Yes.
If you are so,
Neji Dano Munesio, G Dano, I didn't feel
Ghana. But when young people for Nanado sell party, no, or Jem Guasan among Baba be defended. Well, that's that way. I am minimum year people, young Daddy, Naka Anya Shikran. Nanado way, Children's Hospital, I walk a Kajetiano. I can come here, let's see. The first calculate any see. Now we am Plaza Kaka. Na awo wo bi fra baby be hwe omu patients no munya baby na kwa kemfo mu ko
okay
wo da yanya kakra yemfa fidie bi anwu yemfa ma residence say wa wo free akwantuo mu ebi a efa so free mu afo ana baby ni awe frɛ mu aba na ni mo bi a ha wo be ba na ka wo dan already na
structure defect nti ya hwe nso a okɔ ha so nkrɔfo mu na kobu
ya bi o mo ka say structure defect mo say me ba o mo say da na si wo said the CEO said Siano. The Lord Nekutano. I felt that they left new for the baby. His own video back on every man Lord Black or so. Ama. Ebenya adverse impact on the building. It is not true. Nina, you could to push them. The team just to say you could to push them. And I got tires are you know. William, Okoya, we are now a quadrant. Now a far another way. Now, or the kwada so baby ana Cambridge wo o meka to be city theater ama Kumasi e ko wi ase na akoye school for from say
no art yeah movie
creative art and movie one
yeah
but the initial you be just simply scratch and say umba bi si theater sure mama ka seven show o ye wi ana be ka say I was misled. The lot of person say, or one consultant to confirm some assessment. I feel on you.
Okay.
Abba. That's how you boom. A man, you and you try and narrow. A nipa and I will be cassa. It will be anati. Yeah, me, I can say. I would say, you may sit down. You have grown it small. I will be able to sit down with you. 500 local water today, Abba. You didn't say that.
Something no more can't say.
We don't do that. Because the best thing, who for engineers, why did they Kumasi? If I say you share culture center, and now say voting to them. Nigeria, I baby said I be pound to mano. You say I am sacred to be a bit heavy. na obi wa question wabusa.
That's a normal procedure.
Wonu say media for ya bandem say mamonko. Ana wonya we.
Oh, so no because I know ananka e say ko yo say David.
Ah, identity na say mama.
Omunim say mo ba be yi no kure bi ato abonten. Because media could put pictures, it will create another impression in the system. Nanado say Supreme Court to Buamawa oh court in Vienna. MPP person we are called na obia ubeje wa chairman Ghana for beji o matumwa only in Vienna. Wouldn't say no power so okokotwa agreement mama ye kotwa 164 million judgment debt at day. The beer the baby no was someone wouldn't say airport. Mathematical set.
I can say 0202668464. And I feel goes we can.
Sir Mark. Said your excellency kai o tun for time there say be yentieti asokwa. Asemo yi abe. Wa kra won fa wani nko ho.
Madam o chomo isi o.
Oh, alaji. Wo twam na esiwa na ye kasem no me. Me patro. Me da na do ne ye na o ye wo da na. Tie. Mo me nkasa. Na e sa dia na me kan o. O je say mo di me mpamoro. The mo ne say
timi nyosa.
Che. Excellency na na do danko akufu ado.
Kai. O president.
Wo dwene wo man no ho papa. Hwe sani obi a di akai aka ni mfie be enan ebo sani wo na ho medie
support dia no come na dia
na dia court dia say wa ni there's no way
onu o madi ko
obi a no obi ani nkomo alaji mo nsem a ma kekeka ye beba ho na calculator ko bobo yankosi aga e beba ho na di o mu ni say adie ya yesie for the whole nation enya abrosa ba ko a me mesie excellency esie na say alaji sani esie nye ne manko na e transfer asem enya no o mamu no nyina ayare fo sebe ama ye bekwa wo so enyina ebegu abewo emfidie be ye adwuma ne ade na so okofa consultant cross ko ne kohwe ne fa ho asem ebreme na say ono de omuaye nako akoma no what I say unu say ade no se bia ye be repair die ye de afoforo bebo yes me patoti o di ko no me na me so de onim no waka na waka ntam kase ebuso me so me to me kase me kaka otumfo ntangase enko buzu say se won so amiensi a watete otumfo ntangase so dabi na me de me kan say de omampani ene na pamfo eya ebeboa wo man no eno ho na mo na papa no otuo jan koji sika emfa koto cement ni ade metete embo ho papa na ya penti desi wo enu 10-20 years afiyesi edano ani e kan ho asemre bi no ena ebubuo no enti seska yakogie no ade aba o memu ya no nesa ebetimi asifofra adenti asifofra ayopa yimo mo hwe wo hwe obaka sesie atechemi wait. Akufa do wo se wait ada we. Ano ko je bo. Ada we si ho. Na se ye metete cement fa emprasa. Na masa abanu na akomu ehunu se wo repair da we no a amwa ye. O man no. Dana kufa ye bugu. Dana kufa do. Ye da wase pa. Ye babu agu no so no. Anye wo no. Ana sabi o betremu. Ana ne baby na ntobo ntia ende ntobo bia no mu ntobo bia nim se alaji sani na ka sa se wo ka o ma satibu na se no tia nyame se wo ye dede ene ye buo no ye bu wontam na wo kan de wo mba be fro abrafo be ya fro na wo mo do me nya santi na you know entam ho
na me nya santi ni
na de o mo ni se ade we hwe
e ku fo santi bu dai
captain e fi am ka say wo wo do ya kan no
ko ni posi ye
oh dabi me ka so ni posi ye
ko da
tampon de si ye etino sama
di da no yesi ni ya be
samak alaji na de na wo kanu no issues no eba na obi e flu a na mo ye ne sa na just ayi me support to say adie no si atete bobo ho na amoa oman no a ye mumunsi because ye nkwaje ye medi tie me pacho
ye blame wan
wo blame wan
ye blame the consultant no ana se ye blame omanpani so ka fa otumfo na hemfo akwa se edana ya beto so abuye na within be 7 months yes I can
no wo ka we kura no otumfo sa bre kura no na ni age se ye ka da no kura aguro so dia me mecho no because atantma kumase confirmati ne dia ayo te kokko so dia sa so ne sie
o ma we die
na sa ababia ba nana mentete mo bo ma ne nya shan na 10 years 20 years in sanko bumu ababa sa ko bia no anya ababia wono so obeteki sa you know responsibility no na wono dia ya de na officer adie no enya tie me pato me nkasa nyu na essence pato adie no regional minister o mampane yi no wakọ ko gina da no dabi ada no ye reply ni ye mumu ala sabintu papa no officer oni ni ana ada next kan ye disi ye discuss ye no mesa ebebu akum nipa na ene no si ebu a ye ntena ho ma ne munkum nipa ansan ya bekan wase enti ye bu
ask a question
na yesi
ye blame consultant no di kan ye dwuma no na o advice so e bit me atwa so that consultant ne nya ne den
tie ade de wo wa behwe wa beka meboa obi nso mpafo bi nso wa behwe ana ono nso wo wachi no tie me wa kose o mampani ade no ye mu ye buku ye beboae because say obi no a o tu wo yade na proper way a enipa ba ko advice na betie me ko ho papa wa ka mate se mak onso ko ne ko hede papa no kan se
owe no se
eti owe ye no wo hu se ade na esi ebugu ni esi foforo ade mo mo mpa na asansi wo ye no nya na okuma se ade mo mo mpe
ono no ko
ala sani wo mpe na fe na wo ha ni se
what ya bi
wo ha ni se
o ye de
ala di
just a minute na kwala
sa ya o kan kwa na tisa tela ku fado onima mamu ye ti onima mamu ne se ansana de okoko ko so ba be kan se o be ye dwuma di now wa get to fast right
sure that's what you say
ya unim we unim akufado tutu anu ma ho ana dia be chegala ko sa ma o di di se anu ma ne takra ana me ye muni di unim o di we akwaji lo skana ya prove we no o mbe so mo so stage here
wa na wo de wa dinu wo afenti masa da ya didi ya duma no
na mu de chance na ni bobu was ya mu
yes ne pa o mu sama spontaneous what you offer no be di o go se na sama bi be jo no o mu entino what
already
na fe wo fon na mu busa no ko se wo fon ebi se so enya so ni e ba ye hunu ye bi na ba fo to kan yo ba fo nim what we wonya kwada wo matum
ono so hu bi ba
ai but wo eye na ban ni ntino senya sa edanya esiri a ye nyina nim a champonta mu ne sha ase wo ye before a champion be sha dan we ase no na dan bebiri wo kurum ha ya sha ase ne ji dan ni si ho we ye dey support ji dan no unim ji contractor na wo be si dan ni e friend ji o contractor no I obesi G da no your friend G and company wo mo da buy no obesi da be pam ne over 80 years ago me boa busa se dan no ayede enfidie wo mu dia ko ne ba ye bia eda wo nsuye besie no wo mu si so mu besi with the intention say aburusa wo mu no de wo ho de me che no gira left to come titru wo no be ba ho ni nyira ye nkofo a gira wo boa wo mu wo ntimi fra twede wo ntimi nya bibia ekine they took that into consideration and said yes that
Uradi Yesu
what did they mention what could you put sense
Excellency we come gua maamo no na potonya botra alaji
na dia ba for we dey say go there to oh now he said
na mera
so down ekino so si ja me ma
wo wura kakra
mera ko ne papa
alaji ko so
when eti down almost 900 a day, 950. What could you have who send 950 baby? Sicano. And that Uber 5 for Uber good and work with 500. And since I know it.
Yes, 950 men your papa. Not 500 men your papa. Uber Sansa.
I like I said, we know me, yen nine is so brass. Ah, who bet me a change to do it?
Oh, it's not now. Okay. You fear that I wouldn't find to do it. You pay this one friendly. Now go ahead, go so we now if you lift and I'm so running. What about Master to fear?
That is not my question. One consultant,
Omuko father man be ye.
Who's got what intention is say. About we say no too. Why you not getting that? There were mad for second one. And it's a Brazilian for you.
I will contractor. You see,
and now it is so awesome. Regional Minister Cassava also great regional minister. Between the ministers, we have to pull it down. What the man, His Excellency, or to know whether what I say? Now, there is no basis here, but what you have and so you go and I can't be here.
Well, no, assessment.
I buy a most one year who are not work. The other person, I like it. As to how we make I
buy one year, you work that. I give you a baby. I get why I cross the country.
Yakuba, when you quiet. What you may cross what is why you may cross the quiet. I like you because I hope now, would you president? Not in the car. I know who better talk like
you. Would you have so cool? But the air can support yet. Any year no good swap. I just have a tape for our here, but where's the mama? Why? One day. Now, when we are your man swap any America. So, your hospitals in the year would there be they need to see a best one in the national film and then I call America.
Hospitals are better, you know.
What do you mean?
That way, the Bogu, young complete.
That's way transfer. Oh, Master,
normally, so be say, except public in the yard way. Identity. Na pesa be dey me ya ke forum a wo bo culture center di hona ni nyina ye no ba fotu ni asemba kurum a ye kan culture center budget kwa be chire mu a ye no ye nyina ehia
e ba ina ho
Oh, you could share and talk on it. See, Bubu, 2 million. Kumpreko. Oh, yes, yeah. One, obey the Nama woman. Don't be put a question, seeing that. Now, then, 950. Now, then, I will this cannot now in the name of 950. Now, we sit down and buy 500.
So we have for a crowd.
Oh, as I'm Ben.
Massa.
Yeah, no more for Massa.
Maybe I like you.
Melahamenka, Sir Max. Mr. What you say? I didn't yasem. Do do yes, a month. Engineer, a pass say no, and now Frey, a month for a down say, near my Satan, who can be. All my engineers in the Virgin Hall. No match lecture, Muyasu Sabe. Nyasaka crane, any Duma anymore. Near a pisa. That's why I'm getting all of a sudden. What of you with our veterans? Say a baby now for when you scout baby 6 or 7 months ago. That's it. Yen, you know,
Uncle Surunti.
That be Mamasa Kachamba.
And I said, what's the one who said,
to me, no,
it down wrong.
You're totally wrong. Woman can't trace a foundation on you. Because we sit down, your friend said, a twice of 10. When in Quancro by your foundation, pillars are busy. I don't know my answer or no. Now, what they should tell us, a dear business, you would then. Okay, maybe I say,
Meba, na ever said, and from Mala Mohammed spiritual.
Yes, a woman
in Ghana,
Mala Mohammed spiritual and Heba Center.
Architecture,
I like you. Association sama wasi bi eye na ye
we spiritual center
already
we are say ya pa ene so wo afanya so bedi ye na so untimi ni ye ya pa mana so oba beboa adwuma ha ye betu akoso ene ma akọwa no utu good na nei ene ma ye den a osebra na untimi emwa sanso ena obi enam kwan bi so gwa japade bi obra onga kwampa so a oso ba weboa kwa manema atimi akomonsa atimi akomade na malam say onya stroke na say ebia onipa bi edam na wabo na say ebia etre edada ne so a wode ne ba nyambela no so amana atimi aboa ama bibia no atimi akoso malam Muhammad spiritual and Heba Center esikafo amantem ewo any last stop 0246 647247 0246647247 no friend one so esikafo amantem ko atibie ena mala ewo Causeway Casket Shop esi inei owo de na mansa komu ode she firi mu a ya na ya pa ade ba ko nipa he na nwene ho emphasica ento ho owo fi se owo de obi na ope o na busu yamu enunti aye aba no na ato asempa ko obesia ekoye sei o se da bi unya ye nko ade a bra na kachi na otumi mo fodaka no ono ato bi America de UK de Ghana de wetumi ato bi ade amount sanso ena bema osika wo de yi no uwie ni na wo de ato bi afa no de kan na nya yi a yakoba nkwaje besia ene goso esibra no no amoa na eya yi abrempo yi ama no ntumi enye fe Kumasi asafo liberal na ba no say faso a wo corporate assembly hall no ena be hu Causeway Casket Shop ho na ekoto fadaka no a efe obra de shebi efrimu 0243 737457 0243 737457 ofra omo ebeje woso message kakra mo dia about good evening. This is indeed the hottest. I'm enjoying the 3 men by third MPP man to accept that gay is coming. Okay. I'm enjoying the discussion from Odike, but Odike should be careful using Utum for as in Tamkesia. I think that is below the belt. Okay. Naomi from Chapatre, I will surely support Odike in the demonstration against lesbianism and gayism in our country. What is the NPP doing? We voted for them, and is this our end result? Okay, so the Abba and missing in the scene last week was Alhaji Sani, and today Alhaji has spoken well. Tell Alhaji his grandchildren will never see this kind of lesbianism in our country. Akufo-Addo, rest assured, he will never accept that. Good evening, sir. God bless you and your panelists. I think they are comporting themselves well. My greetings to Alhaji Sani. Surely he will change to become an NPP before leaving. The one including on the affair.
Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matramadol wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nso ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be kono say ebeye mremremre okay wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumewood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena osukọ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na hwehwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwa atibie tienie kwa atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kwa atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana obefre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well awolpia obusha yese yifiri mu mo ye den nti beslewa wina fa kokko wifiri na se dia wa wonu tua wo fa se no mo ye den ma menti wo de wina na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye diguma na ma me wai slewa obusha yenko kumase munko kumase
oh it's been a long time Missy Minia obra kwantu ya wo semina na ma yan kwetwe ni ahwedan yo ne busu ya pani asoma me semina me pada e kuma se akamara na me so ya chini ye nya da kai
kokra na nsani o
na mo na mo that's why wo hia me de we problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai betru Ghana ana me na confident wo to na mo ansia do ni eje yi ni bo me so e wo abrede mi ni kapre odu obi na kira me go straight casket shop e wo kuma se labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ni me yes kan hye yo wo de bi ntwa no Misika ya di ma me se me papa no aisha abezu ya se me ambulance na me sam pe de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ya ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye nya ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se kuma stay by plan o ye kuna mko tira o some Cosway casket shop ye wona ka me bere te se de mu ni na Cosway casket shop you will kuma se in front of New Town ye di labor office na ben Cosway casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Okay, Yabama Makwaba Ediaba program I have to this Stardom.
A TV reality show.
A Basso Live. A Kumawood TV.
Audition.
We are ba. Anase we are berima. We are bofra. Ana opinion. A ultimate tonyum. Ultimate to asoronyum. Ultimate to viasenyum. Ultimate to nyumbi. Ultimate to via.
Asa no nimsa. Acting unimiye. Acrobatics ujina mubiana.
We are upcoming artists. We are underground rapper.
Enye. Akwenya na ba mouse. Rwana beche achedi Nyankopon Edia Chow.
Bomodian say, what do Hobaba bedom Stardom? Stardom second audition. A Basso Nyankopon ya Duma 19 February 19th no. Friday. Baby I will be a obese Kumase Ahojo Atinga Junction. Baby a Kumawood TV. Ewana a hopper pepe and a Stardom audition 2.
Rwana barbecue forms. Cool 100 Ghana cedis.
Forms no. Me say. 100 Ghana cedis per Fabajo Stardom bam
for number na that screen is no
now dear friend na brand na be register na yam fa won kan Stardom no ho na won so be superstar 0547 160380 Francesia
na ye mo nchiremu
ye kasa Stardom na waje so say adum achede Stardom
adum achede
Stardom
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedie
Yes, I am Makwaba Famra Sinupi live on Kumawood Television. Again, channel 0202668464 0202668464 Fabratem Ninyamre Enkinkai Emfa Emau. His Excellency Akwasiade Odike, leader and founder UPP Ufia Sanso and Alhaji Sani Senior, a leading member of the NDC, and also Ewaha and Afi Bafo Asare, a former first vice chairman of the NPP mentioned of, now the communication officer for the constituency, and also Ewaha. You did come up, you share gayism and the issue of maternity ward and work on Fanochi. Old one. Nanka yebe try ni na anai yesi ibubu ego yimramu ewo Supreme Court na fi emra ewi Alhaji court say dey say dey dey ko social media am chairman for mantra pan say eya to zoom ma say case no judges no for ruling my enya no stage no but do no na say as a money case want me improve beyond Mr. Moda
about for the say baby say Max the me confirm
I did Michael
so well can actually
say hot
akokora wo no
and the case is sub judice but you know one interesting about me be a natural here but me am go make a words that will be my end.
And I mean, people are
oh, that be
people are coming.
That be Mr. Sono, 7 no more men can
okay.
Men no more men can so who's a can
number
no. And to be the honor and case, no, you never say case or quarter. Yen can't want some. So, na so busame the Emegun Crawforce at Tunsu, meanwhile, a door court. That's a woman do a rule in the bar. The minimum dear woman. Want to be matchman.
Ruling never read the hours.
I understand.
Ruling be a public document.
A public document.
To me body to said you pay the
office say what being your found.
Be out to make up.
Now, but as at now, the
I am mono and the
subjudice.
To go to me.
Many junior Mecca. See. Many almost say a dear number. Though one. Okobo match no lose by 5 times a bay or day. What I say, and your debt automatically, and then you meet me. The cost one, and you make debt. What I say, one, say, may go by Bino, Baminaka.
Some captain, tattoo names, or young
Mamma can't say, set the net to throw in our natural money. That is singing now.
Student Yapin send the teacher.
And Yakwa,
hey, Alexander.
Oh, Tobu Mamma catch your own in the record. at the age of 18 no really gone I'm also the man way when you bear 2 years of primary school from 2 years when you are 8 years no of course secondary school 8 years no of course secondary school when you know mabano person she said the MPP Nkwalano Davis no way so na mo di na tem no mo kesetia no mo yesi enye fine enye wo kura no ne ba ne manifesto di o to nyomo no ba na friend manifesto checho ba no mo hwe mo nyina mo nto no wo panyimu pa edo tem bia ye ga na ha te se Soviet Union for nya freedom no nim de o mo di freedom yo eno anso o mo so nipa ma no o makun no o ma yo se ya ebi ena kwala no eto e right se obi te se na bi ya te ha be 3 days ni ena o so wi law school
no so wi o se o so wi ka so wi
aha me wo wi na me ho wana be ka kire
na yi
ena so o ka kire me na o wi a there's between so wi school no eni adwuma waye
asa sami dem fi class one so wi sami dem fi so wi
na
malaji
ba
yeah malaji
dia sami dem fi on panasem simply because o ka set ya MPP I agree Nemum on Casantia Ubia. Let me tell you one. Tama 2013 case in the buyer. Samia Wuku Ekasetia court. Sambakaya.
Oh, Kapa.
MPP, NDC lawyers in Kaboom. And Womuchi, your friend says Samia Wuku. A free moon. Woman in Kaboom. That is how law. When you are someone, say, don't you some, and this lawyer, Sam, you know. Oh, one of them, and I'm here agent, or I'm saying, got on really him when I met me at Tama. I like you put on. And to me, you did not tell me, one who did not tell me, almost who are you catch them as I say. Or become you, or become you, my door, not my say, or become the name. Satan and the bad time bewater. Not the bad almost Burichraba. What I say, number I can say, I'm a man of sign. And no dinner for me a dinner Taman or Bear. And no year pum, that's so bad now. Okay. Would the other so back inside as a lawyer? What baffle fro? Right. Now will be a way senior member of the bench. No, you know, no dinner Taman. And I say, yes, I see.
In actual fact, electoral commission called for us to conduct the election. You know, it wasn't transparent, it wasn't fair. But that notwithstanding, and these 4 preparations to court, you know, I disagree. The reason is very simple. Mamela declare election, one mandated, but elections now you're winning from polling station. Me party yana minye nipa emumina all the police stations because skasema yedi momo ehye ombuto ko 38,000 police stations untimi nyanina tia yamwa Ghana fodu amebo ayi. It is assumed say in this war that financial muscles to mu bi akọ ibusa mo almost they were represented our police stations. In my candid opinion, my men declare results for including myself. But that is for the Nyamia, you were represented at the police station. So it is assumed, say, more all the details of what every candidate got. It is not some kind of boom. Say, Yanni, you got the Mama Nya, you cut all the police stations in the boom. Mama Nya 6,400,000. You can't now do the boom on your 6,400,000. And until I say, election in your real round. I want another commission, everybody that come on the Debbie. The Mr. and the Enocre. I want another Yabber beyond that. I say, the letter commission can Enocre. And I said, the end is for the ability to Enocre. But unfortunately, now, 2% will generate the witness no form.
maami jeme sana wo di kra ba no ma no so di kra tia wo edu kwa ko fa so omla me ka de na emoa wo e wo se wo na aboa wo te se wo kobo match no wo se referee oni wafa ye nkodi agro wo 18 because wo do ka obi obeje penalty against you so you adapt a system a obeso so you ra chachu nanka wo se odi figure e can relieve no e very relieve the court na nyama no na wo so ka se ye nya sei ekufo do nya sei enti de se maame no de obo boy ne enye papa na no kure ni nie ehona na ye ba behwehwe de o ka no kure ni o twa nkontompom ye no na kade maame ne be ba dakem e be twa no by force e na ba dakem ba o mu se mo fa figure ama na you see he who alleges must prove so the proof of burden the burden of proof is on Chachu
the petitioner
e wo Chachu so figures so till today nya
ba say obi so ka say e bian ko munya akonya no e reform case na ka mo be kid
there be all file case ya yo niam wo de to court nanim wo de to court nanim a sa calculations na e be ye no ye ba ko serve electoral commission ye ba ko serve electoral commission eti
ka
e wo kejeti meba
nsama a wo ka no me ka se me ka bi wo ha said ya wo ye analysis no me ye analysis kuma differently and information me from other people especially learned retired people no e different and anyway, 10% me ko ha gire mbonkrofo bi din one
alhaji mahmoud ke
e can say media to me there's a white you be kind na facts there nunu me sa be kind na friend say na ye facts but so facts na a part of the irregularity but the case in Ankasano should have been figured I would be to just say me kikabo say na minya ya nti se ma me de no enya no kwade you are contesting the figure of ECJ.
Okay. JDM is just mounting a strategy to re-elect as flag bearer for the NDC. The NDC supporters should learn because common. Okay. Watch out. What do you know? I know she.
As a mark, maybe a kakra me can say was watching for. Adia we are until watching on my way.
Nkobano obetimi aka se won pie be dia dance
already adansi die eno ma bi se de na excellence kana eno ma bi na tweno ma bi ade adansi ne be jada kamu
ade we wa ya
esedu me da me mo esedu nketia so me da me judges na sam de me nko ene lawyers na me nko bi me de me nim ne se esedu nketia as a party general secretary wunim kontabuo enim ade nti anya bia no pension ni kura ya 38,000 nti want me anya mu 10,000 pension want me anya mu 10,000 say
ade also not interested so
me patotie tie
no kura no
wakotra witness boss ma when your opportunity ama ye busa wo se we ya unya ye no ufiga unya ye no ewe wasi ma fa na wan fa ma ye tweka krop tenten ma se organ na bobo figa benso na nya so a wasi ma nya figa bia na laji court wo na broni ekodi o me ka che wo ne mon ka che se din ka twa se court wo no na broni ekodi no money case agro bi na mo late artist bi na mo ye mo ye de ye twa wuli no na media me meka no wuli no ye twa ajaba money case delay na mo de delay abai no se de normal bi be keka chiri
lies on the NDC and Alhaji Sani to prove I support with the okay. Say Kumawu TV, you do it all. In fact, you guys are good. Greetings to your panelists. This is a matured panelist, of course. Okay. Hi, Sir, good evening. Kindly tell Odike that he can swear with all what he knows, but still, we will build that house. It's not happening.
What did I say about a man across?
Well, it's not those. Yes.
Yeah, make us say about you. We are watching the greatest to educate that
until number me this and say me who say the late artist be na NDC for no
the late artist
yes
and I could tamper so can court say court no and charge John Mahama say we waste your time who say NDC in the case now just a delay artist be no
me dey hold me nko na me dey me call say NDC no o man mu no nyina no na o mu etwe ekochire say kasabre ka abai no aye boni din say rafri no every man say paneti no na ahye no kasabre ka okunanim
say be just stop na
dem wo de tiete ma da bi otie say court asem da so a normally no wontimi mfa wo pe
wonye ni
no that be said of course and they obetme yi
what do you agree so then in 2013 for the good 8 months no Mahama
yeah ya mo answer say yeah koni esu e pensit o 11,000 pensit
that's what you said
and me catch you say
and in 8 months na court asem eda Mahama so nduba ya to Mahama ni won 4 years
why 4 years Semak host there's an academy on 4 years on 4 years me de me can say adia wu ni case no don't waste Ghanaian time
okay
konin nam ho abra won kuta bibia empty handed na Supreme Court kaka we say na o dictate ni padre I read anything
opagile me de mesre minu no NDC for say Oyakupon no hata so on nim dey see yes parliament no a clear indication say NDC a strong party
of course
onyame na dia won for fie say o makonya sa hanging parliament no kan krofo we kombo mu sabo kuni nifa e be gigi loans e dey akọ
na we dey your man here did
Bob my comment say obi a covid apayare abamo sky agigiro wo airport ye test no ye busa health minister was so nim ekwa ye fast ko gigi sky 150 when ya confirm be ewe na Kufuor na won tuma be pa 4 years me pacha Ajima man sound something was say Kokola man sa na Kufuor on the formal task force amom ko try for college sesca o man panina
so procurement no oslas we ni mo
me awurade enim ko ase ni
ni mo he and yes enti
our commission ave mamemo a say ya ma contract e o ministry a mo ko tender e o ministry o
yen train finance minister e bia no be ba no dem
why
yen train
ayo na juma e have ministry aduma
ba so no mo
me pa to tie me ai yes transport minister be ya no wa ade e covid transport minister fa ho be winning mathematical set $60 million over the 12 million am be there to girlfriend ya chebo no
onassis ana
onassis
yeah onassis
masa jawuni won take na akopɛ ba bitira na yekobusa na po awo se mathematical set ni mo re yebusa dutuma oto ni mo re na o ma be pa na yeti nana Kufuor wo so ye lawyer afedi e wo
man ni bua na wo bua na nado ni bua na wo bua no na akoko esa tra ko masa de nia enye ne fe
me nya hawo kumsi no
oh sir
akodi fan na wey eno ode to
ene se din kati akwa wo ye na secretary wo court kwa mo bo figa wo ntimi anka na we hawo kumsi wa aka sem na aya anya mama
kasa na nado banya na nado ene na pamfo yi wo mu nyina ya akrofo
alani
me na me ka chiro
ene kasa
number 1
nanado
ye driver we driver
asene say
won people won ma America ya na driver bi de ne case mo ko bokro no no wi a o tra mo no otu nanado na kasa aka
wono nanado na kasa aka ene de wa kasa mpa o
ba nanado bi kura
nanado e change person eye nanado
we dey say nanado ye kono smooth level de police de wa kono
me wan say na ye point
na so
oh yes but so here way no I am say
krono de wo be scientist wa be catch MPP say krono don drama ni mahama
unya bota na yes say me na make
alagi
ti aba fo no nya
le na na bia o me papa
alagi yo ye me na so
ko tutubato fo mo nam kadeti ya na mam se obi atu botom tutubato fo na mo bu kadeti
afo we am uti me ne twene
saka wa fo achim saka wa fo
so ya ni ka so mo ya achim te se de odikeka se be nyado
be luto man
ya achim fo no nyina o achim fo no kra not benefiting krono a sa saka wa fo no ye no keke wo mu fra achim period wo mu fie no wo mu busuafo nkwa ena benefit na achim fo nyina
right
anything on
alagi da sim na so alagi sani senior leading member of the end
na de wa kasma wie ka o
God's way casket.
na wonya kromfo kroma kromfo wa pa kromfo wa papa
we number 1
na do me kromfo
o juma na pasa ko Mala Muhammad
Onwani ministers e pa na won to ma no
ntimi mo me de Michael nana
we wadawa
alhaji
na yina wa mi nwam ayini mu bi Corbett no ya just no one some ko na se ke ka on se mark ay Corbett ya amam for just na wa alaji no smash we excellence wo dia
ti animdia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo o asofo nso no mo nya ma sore ma akon obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya adwuma me mene da
okay
kosie da edwoda ebenada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto ya waso me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nante da woda fom obi so ho wa